Hello Sridhar. Hello Himmat. Hi Patil Rutuja. Hello Pari. Thank you for joining Skill Together. We are waiting for our today's speaker, Raina Khatri Tandon. Raina has joined. Hello Skill Together. Hope you're doing fine. Raina, I'm adding you.
Hi, good morning.
Good afternoon, Raina. How are you doing?
Good afternoon. I'm so sorry. I'm still in the morning phase. Glad to be here, Manisha. How are you doing? Good morning.
Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. And yes, Rena, this is, let me introduce everyone to all the viewers out there. Rena is running a foundation named as Rena Khatri Tandon, that is RKT. She is also running a company, which is number one private limited company named as Right to Rise. So we are very glad and happy to invite you today, Rena, to share your journey as to where were you, where are you, and what is that one inspirational story that you would like to share with your viewers? Because, of course, there might be a lot of challenges, there might be a lot of struggles as well. So we
Yes.
would like to hear today, Rena. So, yes, you can start.
So, thank you very much, Coach Manisha. I think you're doing. Yes, Manisha. We lost your
Yeah,
connectivity.
it had got stuck.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay, okay. You
yes.
can start now. Yeah.
So, I was saying I want to start with one interesting line. Winners are always born, created, and dare to achieve. If you were born to win, then you must be a winner to plan to win, prepare to win, expect to win, and also be ready to lose. ओके आप मुझसे जरूर सहमत होंगे जब मैं बोलूंगी कि हर एक आदमी एक विनर पैदा नहीं होता है. एक विनर हर रोज कोई नई चीज सीखता है, कोई नई चीज एडवांस करता है, एंड एवरी डे ही फॉल्स एंड राइजेस अगेन.
Very
एंड
true.
ब्यूटिफुली इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू, ऑफ कोर्स, जहाँ पे भी हम लोग आज हैं, that's also a matter of two things. One is choices, and the other one is the way we have intercepted or we have worked on our losses or our falls. If we get stuck with our falls, then we never rise. Obstacles are always going to be there. Now, the one journey which I wanted to come and share today, which is all about small miracles make big possessions, or even small moments can make you bigger in life. Okay, that was the aim why I've come here. I am running a private limited company called Right to Rise, which is India's number one into POSH, which is Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act for Women at Workplace, POXO, which is Prevention of Abuses of Child, and working under stress. Anybody who's working under stressful situations, whether it's trauma, whether it's dragging, whether it's bullying, and also working for human rights. Now, when I'm saying this, I'm not saying that this is only for women. ये महिलाओं के लिए भी है, मर्दों के लिए भी है, बाकी जेंडर्स के लिए भी है, क्योंकि इक्वालिटी एक किस्म के लोगों से नहीं आती है. We are not saying that today we are winners and we are great because of handling only one aspect of the society, either becoming a woman empowerment person or a male patriarchal society. We are here to create equality so that सब लोग rise कर पाए. One
Right.
journey which I wanted to share is that when I was very young, okay, I always thought जैसे बाकी लोग एजुकेशन करते हैं, मैंने भी एजुकेशन की. I was also educated. I think every time the parents used to say either you become a doctor or engineer. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली हम लोग इन दोनों में से एक ही सेलेक्ट करते थे. तो जब मैंने भी अपना 10th पास किया, 12th पास किया, तो मेरे फादर ने पूछा आप क्या करना चाहोगे. तो मैंने बोला मुझे कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग करनी है. When I went to doing computer engineering, interestingly, I got an electronic and communication engineering. And so I said, okay, let's go ahead and do that. Because being the eldermost in the family, one thing we want is always the happiness of the family. पढ़ाई कर ली, आगे बढ़ गए. I went abroad, got myself educated there into masters and PhD in VLSI. The one moment which struck my life to become an entrepreneur was when my grandfather passed away. There were lots of people who came from far and near. बहुत सारे लोग दूर दूर से आए थे उनके चौथे पे, उनके डेड बॉडी पे. जो मुझे पता नहीं था कि भाई वो इतने जाने पहचाने इंसान थे. I mean, he was good in his work. He was a businessman. He used to run a lot of things. But then, for somebody to travel all the way from abroad just on your death ceremony, it's a big thing. So I was really thinking, what miraculous happened in my mind was, अगर इनके एक डेथ एक्टिविटी के लिए कोई भी लोग भाग भाग के आ सकते हैं, तो इन्होंने कुछ तो किया होगा. आई थिंक यू वुड हैव टच्ड हिज लाइव्स एंड टच मेनी मोर लाइव्स. इन्होंने कुछ तो ऐसे किया होगा कि किसी को सुना होगा, किसी को एम्पथाइज किया होगा, किसी के साथ
Very
बैठे
true.
होंगे. I think you'll agree with me, Manisha, with all the people who you work, whether it is youth empowerment or women empowerment, जब तक आप सही तरीके से कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते हैं, if you don't communicate with a person well and strongly, you will not be able to make a connect with that person,
Absolutely.
right?
That's very true.
And
It
here,
shouldn't be a one-way
yeah,
communication. Yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it shouldn't be a one-way communication. It should be via both the sides. Yeah. Right.
ट्रू. तो हम जब ये कोचेस, ट्रेनर्स, एजुकेटर्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, हम जो भी प्रोफेशन में हैं, इफ वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली ओनली प्रोपगेटिंग, हम लोग अगर अपना ही बात करते रहेंगे, आई एम श्योर दैट एवरीबडी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज. आजकल नॉलेज की, ज्ञान की बहुत सारी चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं, चाहे वो गूगल के पास हो या आपके पास हो या मेरे पास हो.
Right.
लेकिन सुनने के लिए, समझने के लिए, जानने के लिए, लोगों को पहचानने के लिए या इवन कनेक्ट करने के लिए, अगर हम छोटी से छोटी इश्यूज को सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं और चाहते हैं कि लोग हमारे से पहचाने, हम लोग को कनेक्ट करें, हम हमारे साथ जुड़े, the only thing we can do is to listen to them, to hear them, to be with them, and to spend a lot of time with them. That itself will make you understand your personal people, your professional people, your clients, and many more people. So
Right.
all my grandfather would have done is he wrote letters to people when they were depressed. He heard them and called them out of the way. He was with them when they were in agony or distress, or maybe they wanted to be heard. Spend a lot of time with them when their happy moments were there, and many more things. I'm assuming, because I could not speak to him that, how does he know so many people? Or he would have helped a lot of people, whether through NGOs or through. So today, this story inspired me so much that whatever I do today to help women, to help people who are traumatized into POSH and POXO and human rights and many other things, I always feel that if you can be there for a person, then that's all what people require. Because other things, of course, I do POSH certifications, I do trainings, I do coaching, I run my company, I also is maybe make life. And till date, I becoming a very great entrepreneur today. I speak on many interviews, I speak on many platforms, I help and assist people, I provide training programs, certifications, I help and assist people who are traumatized, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, youth हैं, साइबर मीडिया, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, पॉश पे, पॉक्सो पे, कहीं पे भी अगर उनको दिक्कतें आती है, इवन स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशंस बिकॉज ऑफ देयर टू मच ऑफ लर्निंग एंड too much of staying home because of the pandemic. I think if you need any help, all you require is to be present for somebody. So that's a little
Absolutely.
story I wanted to share. That's about it, Manisha, from me.
That's great. That's great to know. And what do you think, like, आजकल के the world that we are living in, be it relatives, be it friends, be it family out there are certain instances where people don't open up. ठीक है, कभी कभार वो अपने आप को जज करना चालू कर देते हैं, कभी कभार दे स्टार्ट doubting themselves, and because of that their self esteem, their confidence comes down automatically. Now, most of the time, a lot of people say, like, we want to get into entrepreneurship or we want to reach to a certain level of corporate life. These things are not at all possible without a good level of presentation. जब तक एक अच्छी तरह से आप प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाओगे अपने आप को, अपने दिमाग को उस लेवल तक का ट्रेनिंग आप नहीं दे पाओगे, तो नहीं पॉसिबल होगा. दैट इज वेयर वी वांट एट ड्रीम हंट इंडिया प्लेटफॉर्म आल्सो एंड राइट टू राइज बी. आई एम डैम श्योर कि कुछ ना कुछ रिलेटेड टू पीपल आउट देयर, यू आर वर्किंग फॉर पीपल, यू आर देयर फॉर पीपल, एंड दैट इज वेयर वी वांट पीपल टू नो अबाउट अस, नो अबाउट मी एंड यू स्पेसिफिकली, कि हम है सुनने के लिए भी है, हम कुछ कलेक्टिवली आपके लिए डिसीजंस लेने के लिए भी है, हम आपको समझाने के लिए भी है. सो nobody out there in this world is alone. Let me tell all the viewers out there, I and Rena, हमारा मेन पर्पस आज यही था कि आप सबको बोलने के लिए कि we are there. We need to have a big degree to be a helping person out there. You yourself, you need not need to have a degree for to come, like I'm not graduate or I'm not well literate or I'm not well educated. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सिंपल लेमैन लैंग्वेज में हम यही कहना चाहेंगे दैट वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट as far as learning from each other's experiences and growing together is something I think we should look forward and work towards that. So what is that one advice, Rena, that in one sentence or two sentences that you would like the viewers to take from you so that they remember you further, if at all ऐसा कोई इंस्टेंस उसके उनकी लाइफ में आ जाए जो वो आपको रिमेम्बर करे? What is that one advice?
So just one advice, people, आप अगर सोचते हो कि आप परफेक्ट नहीं हो, तो आप परफेक्ट कभी नहीं हो सकते. अगर आपको लगता है कि चुप्पी से आपको सोल्यूशन मिलेगी, तो मैं ये बता दूं कि चुप्पी से तो कोई सोल्यूशन मिलती नहीं है. कहीं पे अगर आप जूझ रहे हैं, कभी आपको हेल्प की जरूरत है, एक ही चीज बोलूंगी कि दुनिया में अच्छे लोग हैं. और मनीषा जैसे, हम जैसे, राइट टू राइट जैसे बहुत सारे लोग, कंपनीज आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए हैं. आप प्लीज उनको रीच आउट कीजिए. मनीषा जी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे बात करें, उनको बोलें कि ये दिक्कतें हैं, वो सही लोग को आपको कनेक्ट करेंगे. इफ यू आर हैविंग ट्रबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ हैरेसमेंट, बुलिंग और एनी अदर एस्पेक्ट विद रिगार्ड टू पॉश और पॉक्स, तो कोई बच्चे को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन है, जब तक आप बात नहीं करेंगे सोल्यूशन तो निकलता नहीं है. दूसरी चीज है, इफ आई एम नॉट परफेक्ट, आई कैन नेवर बी परफेक्ट इफ आई डोंट वर्क ऑन इट. अगर मैं उसके बाद तारीफ सोचती रहूं और उसका कुछ नहीं करूं, उससे ना मैं बढ़ती हूँ ना आप बढ़ती हो. लेकिन अगर मैं कहीं पे किसी से बात करती हूँ, तो दो बातें वो कहेंगे, दो बातें आप कहोगे, और उससे आप दोनों ही जरूर सीखेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. So please
Very
do
true.
reach out, and like my tagline always says, You can only view the other person and the other person view you. आप एक दूसरे के साथ तभी देख पाओगे एक दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम्स को जब आप एक दूसरे को सुनो, जानो, पहचानो. And believe me, everybody has the right to rise, because that's what we in Right to Rise believe, that trust the person, be transparent, be open, and you will get an equal and beautiful place to stay. So with that, I close
Very
my.
well said.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much. Very well said, Rena. Thank you once again for coming onto the
Thank you.
platform. And I'm
It's a
sure a lot
pleasure.
of viewers are going to be inspired by this. Thank you.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much to your entire team and to you for such a beautiful welcome, and all the viewers for listening to us. Thank you.
Most welcome.